ওকে, আমার একটু কি আছিলে কোৱা তোমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি কি কৰিম ইনষ্টেড অফ অপাৰেটিং চিষ্টেম ওকে ডাইৰেক্টলি অন টপ অফ ইউৰ what the physical hardware okay in our production or in general environment we can directly install the type 1 hypervisor. Okay, see this step already I have discussed, still for you recall purpose I am again explaining it. Okay, so what was there? First of all we have to prepare our environment. Okay, first see we cannot dedicate our individual PC as an virtualization or a ESXi server. Okay, why? Because within this machine I have to run all my day-to-day life activities. Okay, report generation and whatever task class taking and all. So I have to prepare the environment. For the environment, what we are supposed to do? First of all, we'll install any operating system on top of my hardware. Okay, then we will going to place type 2 hypervisor. Okay, anything just like Oracle VirtualBox, Microsoft Hyper-V. If you go for Linux, you can go for Linux KVM, or in case of VMware, you can go for Workstation Pro or Workstation Player. Okay, once you install this hypervisor, now it is act like that. In this provision you don't have anything. Okay, so we will create one virtual machine. Okay, say suppose as in the morning we have seen, to install ESXi, we the recommendation is what, at least 4 GB is required to run the ESXi, and again 4 GB or 8 GB is based on the operating system, right? So we need the minimum 8 GB of RAM to be provisioned in our newly formed virtual machine. Okay, with 40 GB of hard disk. Okay, so let me draw some diagram in Word so that you can visualize this. Okay, otherwise it is very difficult to get. Okay, so say suppose this is our physical machine as well as our our operating system. Okay, I will not write everything there. Suppose hardware plus OS. Okay, and in here we require the 4 GB of RAM, and say two core which say 40 GB of HDD. So this is the local configuration, or you can say the host configuration. So this much of things is required to run the host. Okay, let's say suppose it will be done. To run the host we need this one. Now on top of this host, what we're going to do, we are placing another one layer. Okay, this layer is your type 2 hypervisor, okay, which we have done in the previous practical, that means the last Monday. Okay, so what is this? This is our type 2 hypervisor. Okay, কি কি হ'ব পাৰে কোৱা তোমাৰ? For example, it may be Oracle. See, I'll not go for any other product. Directly I'm starting with what, the Workstation Pro. I'm presuming that all of you have installed this, okay, this piece of software in the previous class, because I have received lots of report from your end, right? So this is required. Those who have not submit the reports till now of the previous class, please submit as soon as possible, otherwise you will lose the mark. Okay, so this is our type 2 hypervisor. Now the thing is that we will provision, suppose our underlying hardware is something like that, this. Okay, so what is our total capacity of the hard disk? You just assume that in our machine I have say 32 GB of RAM plus say 1000 GB of hard disk, okay, HDD, plus say suppose I am using one very sophisticated Xeon series what the processor. Okay, you see in case of server all the processor come in a Xeon series, Xeon, Xeon, right? Suppose it has total of minimum 16 core. Okay, so this is our total bank balance. Okay, now based on this we will subdivide all of these things. That means from here 32 minus 4 is taken here, 2 core is taken, and the how much is left? 14 code is left, and you can make the calculation easily. Okay, so this is our total underlying hardware configuration. Okay, this much of properties I have in my account. Now I have to make the distribution from this part. Now on top of this, suppose we are provisioning one virtual machine. Okay, let us take one virtual machine. Suppose I am planning for two ESXi host. Okay, this is ESXi host number 1. Okay, sorry. Yeah. ESXi host 1, right? And in the same way we can go for this is ESXi host 2. Okay, so this one. Actually this is our lab environment. Okay, the way actually this I want to show you how this is done, and just make some color there for understand it. Actually if we have some vacuum tab or something like this writing tab, then you will find more interest on this. Okay, anyway we will manage it with our MS Word. Okay, so this is our setup. Okay, now you think is that you cannot go for two type of host, because I am just presuming that all of you have the PC not more than 8 GB. Okay, so can you tell me what is the maximum RAM you have with you? 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB. Okay, how many of you are there with 16 GB of PC? Yes or no, please? Anyone is there who has any 16 GB of PC?
No, sir.
Okay, 8 GB, 8 GB. How many of you have 8 GB of PC? Please tell me, how many of you have 8 GB of PC? See, minimum 8 GB you have to configure. Okay, minimum 8 GB. Please, you have to arrange. Otherwise, you cannot run the practical. You see the provision, right? Now, see, in the morning we have already discussed that to run the ESXi, how much memory is required? It required 4 GB of RAM. Okay, 4 GB plus 40 GB plus 2 core. Okay, so
Two core means dual core.
yes. No. You see, totally you have 16 core na. From this 16 core, you can use this one. Okay, this is the virtualization actually. Okay, so it is something like that. In your house, suppose we have total 5 rooms. Okay, you further make some division. So in room number 1, my X son will be there. Okay, in room number 2, my Y daughter is there. So likewise. Okay, see, ইয়াতে যিমান বিলাক তোমাৰ provision বনাইছে ন সবতে আমি distribute কৰি দিছো তোমাৰ. Okay, so I am not going to this one now. Who is coming? Gideon is coming. Wait for some time, let me in him. Gideon is in. Okay, now see, today we'll do up to this part. Okay, in the last practical we have done up to this part. Okay, now today we'll do this part. Now once you provision this, on top of this infrastructure I am going to provision virtual machine. Okay, this is one. Say suppose I will not make more than 2 virtual machine. Okay, now suppose this is one virtual machine. Let us take some separate color. this is
Sir, 6 GB হলে নহব sir.
is please understand the scenario what I'm telling here. Okay, now you can able to give me the answer. Okay, from this scenario you please give me the answer. Okay, is it possible or not? First of all, please understand the scenario. See, I hope I have tell this at least more than 20 times from the beginning of the class. Okay, some of you may get bored about these things. Why sir telling the same thing again and again? Which one? Let's take this one. Okay, say suppose VM1. Okay, in the VM1C, so please understand these things. So in the VM1, now we make one calculation. Okay, how much bank balance or the property we left after distributing everything. Okay, here 4 GB is gone. Say suppose I'm giving minimum 1 GB here. Okay, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 how much? 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, 9 GB gone. Total was what? The 32. How much is left? 32 minus 9. Who can say? I think it is 23. Yes, 23 is left. Now I am make one provision that 4 GB I will dedicate as a RAM. Okay, I'm not concerned regarding the hard disk. Hard disk you have. Okay, and 2 core minimum is required here also. Okay, 2 core is required. Okay, this one. So in this way we can go for provisioning one more see, this is two different virtual machine we have created. Okay, so likewise you can go for this type. So for here also. Okay, say let us replicate this as in this diagram we have sufficient memory left in the account, so we can go for the provision. Okay, see, I'm going very slow. Okay, step by step, so that you can clear all your doubt. Okay, up to this part anyone have any doubt what I am doing? If anyone is out of track, okay, please let me know. So suppose this is our lab environment. Okay, so this we're going to build, so that see, this is cluster 1, this is cluster 2. Now on top of this I will put vCenter server for centralized management. Okay, is it okay everyone? up to this? So कारोबार এনেকুৱা লাগিছে নেকি? So ये सब क्या हो रहा है? कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Is there anyone who is feeling like this? Please give yes no please. तो आशा ना है. Hello.
Doubt নাই.
Oh. Hello. अरे कोबा. Okay, so that means up to this part we have done in the previous class. Today we'll go for that one. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all you have to download this ESXi ISO. Okay, it is seen something like this. Okay, please have a look. Okay, so you will find something like this. Yeah, VMware hypervisor 6.5.4. okay, so this file you will have to download. Okay, see, this is the disk image called what? The ISO file. I think you know it, right? So those who work with operating system installation, they might know these things. Okay, so this thing is required. So this is not a big file ना, 330 or 40 GB. Okay, as I have told you, पहले क्या था बोलो, ESX, जब ESX था इसका साइज जीबी में था, ठीक है, तो इसको रिड्यूस करके ऑप्टिमल किया, फिर व्हाट वी हैव फाइंड, वी फाइंड द ESXi. ठीक है, तो ESXi इज नॉट मोर देन 350 MB. ओके, सो अगर नेट का कनेक्शन थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा होगा ना, तो 350 डाउनलोड करने के लिए इट विल नॉट टेक मोर देन हाफ एन आवर. ओके, अगर बहुत खराब कंडीशन है ना तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. इट्स डिपेंड. ओके, बट in my case it is not taking more than 15 minutes. Okay, my internet is good here. Okay, Snigdha has put in download. Is there anyone who has put in download these things? Download সবে লগাই দিয়া, ঠিক আছে, নহলে কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা. Okay, after knowing this what the architecture or a lab environment, let us go to know how to install the ESXi. Okay, please tell me, let me know one thing. How many of you know how to create virtual machine on type 2 hypervisor? How many of you know, or you or anyone don't know, or everyone know? Please give me yes, no. Okay, my question is that how to create or spin virtual machine from type 2 hypervisor. Okay, how many of you know these things?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, yes. So please give this type of reply, okay, so that I can understand. So let me allow, I'll show you how to do it. So in this experiment we're going to spin one virtual machine, okay, with this configuration. Okay, now the thing is that, see, theoretically virtual machine we all know. Okay, now practically who is virtual machine, actually what is this? Okay, first of all you have to understand this concept. Okay, so forget about virtual. First of all you have to know about a machine. See, machines, whenever I am telling machines, we are just directly dealing with the computer. Okay, to form a computer, this is the minimum thing we require: some RAM, okay, some CPU and some hard disk, along with the monitor and keyboard mouse. I am not accounting all these things. Okay, so this one, suppose if somehow you are capable of provisioning these things physically or virtually, that means you are able to create or deploy one machine. Okay, if you are collecting some physical component, then this is your physical machine, right? And if you are collecting all these component in a virtualized form with using some software or the services, then it is called what, the virtual machine. Okay, now in our environment we will create all these hardware from the existing hardware by deriving them as a service. Okay, that's why this is called the virtual machine. Okay, so in short or in a crisp way, this is the understanding about our virtual machine. Okay, see, this type of definition you will not find in book, so you have to understand the thing, then you have to deliver. Okay, or you have to visualize. So what may be the virtual machine? That means all the component which is required to from the machines now provision or spin from the existing physical one. Okay, so this one. So in this practical, what we'll going to do, we'll create one virtual machine. Okay, and using this virtual so in this virtual machine, we're just going to put one type 1 hypervisor. This is ESXi. Okay, or you can tell that virtual machines are the holder of your hypervisor. Okay, what I'm telling, virtual machines are the holder of your hypervisor, okay, or the operating system. See, to put the operating system, what we need a certain set of hardware. Okay, that means your physical machine is the holder of your operating system or any other software. Okay, likewise your virtual machines are the holder of your hypervisor. Okay, so how to do it. Up to these things, I hope all of you have cleared. Okay, so because this is not the big things I am discussing, very simple. Okay, see, these all the report are submitted by some students. Okay, this is not prepared by me. I will not take the credit. One student was there from Sansuran University when I was posted there, Sinmoy Viswal. Okay, he's a BSAT student, but very good in all these tasks. Okay, he along with me have done lots of practical. Okay, and I have collected his document and showed to all my students. Okay, that because he done some good serious work. Okay, this one. So what are the hardware? See, please write your practical report in this format. Okay, aim of the experiment, hardware specification, RAM is required, processor and storage. Okay, so this is the minimum. So 4 GB is required, minimum 6 core. So this is wrong. Okay, not 6 core, 2 core is required with VT enabled. Okay, so what is VT enabled? We have already discussed. Okay, so software specification. So what we require? We require VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so which already we have done. And next one is VM Pfizer ESXi server ISO file. So which I advise you to download. So this already done, and this portion of software you have to download. Snigda kiman percent hold download? Asane Snigda?
Sir, sir 38 MB হৈছে 328 ৰ ভিতৰত
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা তোমাৰ বহুত শ্ল'
স্যার বহুত স্লো
দিয়া লগাই থৈ দিয়া তোমাৰ ক'ত লগাইছা তুমি এই ইন্টাৰনেট ডাউনলোড মেনেজাৰ ইউজ কৰা নে ডাইৰেক্ট দিছা ব্ৰাউজাৰত
স্যার ব্রাউজাৰৰ পৰা দি আছো
হেৰি দিবা তোমাৰ আইডিএমত দিবা আইডিএমত দিলে বহুত ফাষ্ট ডাউনলোড হয় তোমাৰ সিহঁতে তোমাৰ কি কৰে পেকেট বিলাক ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰি সেপাৰেট ৰুটেদি পাছ কৰাই দিয়ে তোমাৰ ঠিক আছে আইডিএম যদি আইডিএমত পেচ লাগে তোমালোকক মোৰ লগত আছে তোমাৰ ঠিক আছে 100% working see I used to download and I'll show you see this is the IDM plugin okay using this I have download all the different things okay IDM dile tomar beshi khomon na lage so you can use this one so it's a paid software but it is available so in this recorded session this is not allowed to tell these things but for your usage purpose I'm telling okay yeah we are free to do because we are in a teaching community teaching learning community right so I can use it no problem so these two software is required okay and what about other see you get the chance to do all of these things okay that's why I'm again requesting all of you please download and do of your own okay नहीं तो मेरा क्या है मैं करके चला जाऊंगा okay मेरा सैलरी से मतलब है so please do all of these things okay under my guidance so that you can get some flavor okay and I will help you in all the aspects okay see open VMware workstation इसको खोलने से will find this type of screen ठीक है now see here I am not going to install the ESXi first of all you will provision the virtual machine okay once you ready the virtual machine then on the virtual machine you are going to put your ESXi okay so what to do we have to click on this plus symbol when you click on this plus symbol this wizard will open okay this wizard will open you have to click on next okay I am holding the screen for sufficient time if you need some step to be explained more then please let me know okay and I suppose you have done this in what a past okay pehle I am just hoping that you have done all this work okay now at this point you have to go for this one installer this then you have to go on browse and select this one so দেখো download যেটা করিবা ন তোমার কি থাকিব this ISO file will locate somewhere right so you have to put it then go on next okay just go on clicking. Now from this point onward, you have to follow only the on-screen instruction. Okay, what is displayed there, what is written there, you have to go on following it, and the automatically everything will be done. Okay, so here they will ask you where to put your file. So give one location, or if you want that I will put all my things in my way, then you have to create one folder in any drive, and in this folder you can put all these things. Okay, it's up to you. Now next thing, you are going to allocate the disk space. Okay, so minimum how much GB is required? 40 GB is required, so put this one. Now it's up to you. Okay, split virtual disk into multiple files. That means agar if acha, I think you know it na, dynamic and dynamic memory allocation and static memory allocation, everyone you know, array and linked list. Okay, memory allocation in array and memory allocation in linked list. Okay, मैं थोड़ा रिकॉल कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, array में क्या होता था बोलो? Array, in array all the 40 GB of space you have to find in a single space. Okay, if there is no space available, then it will say that array cannot be created and it will throw some exception. Okay, but in case of linked list or the dynamic memory allocation, all the, so you see, if the memory manager will not find the entire 40 GB in a single space, then it will split. Okay, or it will store all the files in different part. Okay, and all together it will allocate the 40 GB for you. Okay, now it's up to you based on the condition of the hard disk. Okay, no need to go for all this calculation, directly select this one, split virtual disk into multiple file. That means ये सब फाइल अलग अलग जगह में स्टोर होता रहेगा. ठीक है, इसका और एक बेनिफिट मिलता है. सो ইয়ার তুমি আরো একটা বেনিফিট পাবে, এটু কি হয় তোমার, ইফ সাম ফাইলস আর করাপ্টেড, at least some file you can recover. Okay, this is useful in case of your production environment. Okay, so select this one, then click on next. After that, okay, you have to click on customize hardware. If you want, see, এখন স্ক্রিন দেখাব. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াত যদি if from there if you are not what is satisfied, then again you go on customize and create your own provision. Okay, see, by default it will take 2 CPU core, not more than 2. Okay, but in this document he has written 6 core. Okay, this is not required. Okay, so 2 core is sufficient. Okay, here give some note, then add 4 GB of RAM must, processor 6 core. So this is 2 core, not the 6 core. Okay, don't be confused. Then click close button. Okay, once you do all of these things, your installation will begins. Okay, then you will probably find one screen with half black and half yellow. Okay, from these things you have to wait for some time. Now this point onward, this is nothing but the operating system installation. Okay, wait and see. If some instruction is required, then automatically it is popped up, then you have to give yes, no, and different things. Okay, except for F11, then just automatically they will do. But please remember one thing, in this screen no mouse pointer will work. Okay, you have to put everything, give all the instruction using keyboard only. Okay, likewise you can install your ESXi hypervisor of type 1 in your provision virtual machine. Right now, on top of this hypervisor we will create the virtual machines. Okay, see, once you do this, that means we are done up to this part. Okay, see, we are done up to this part. After this part we're going to create, okay, some virtual machine as per our requirement or the system allowance. Okay, যিমানখিনি allow কৰিব তাতকৈ বেছি কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা, otherwise the system will be total hanged. ये काम करेगा ही नहीं. Okay, that's why I'm telling, please make provision that at least 8 GB you can that means your PC must have minimum 8 GB. Okay, and those who have already 8 GB, please put another 4 or 8 GB. Okay, যিমান RAM হ'ব সিমান বেছি ভাল হ'ব. Okay, that's why I'm telling. So this one. Okay, it will ask you the password. See, this password is a root password. Okay, that means you are the administrator. If you okay, I'll show you all this part later on how to use this one. Okay, then gradually it will be installing. Okay, and after everything is done, you will find that screen. Okay, please don't expect any type of desktop and all. Okay, you will find this type of screen. Someone is waiting. Who is waiting? Okay, so this is how we're going to install the ESXi on our virtual machine, which is provisioned from the type 2 hypervisor. Okay, see, up to this part, anyone have any doubt, then please let me know. Again, in within 5 minutes, this session will be ended automatically. Okay, anyone have any doubt? Okay, please let me know how many of you will go to install this ESXi. Okay, Snigdha will do. She is already downloading it. And what about others? How many of you are going to install it? Wow, তোমালোকে বৰ বদমাছ যায়, একো নোকোৱা।
স্যার করিম মই করিম স্যার
কৰিলো
তাৰ
আদি।
মোবাইলৰ পৰা ক'ব লাগিব,
না হা কি ক'লা?
লৈছোৱে ছাৰ।
So initially অলপ কষ্ট হ'ব, ঠিক আছে, একো নাই তোমাৰ, but you will learn many things, right? Otherwise, see, report is already with me ना. अगर तुम लोग का प्रॉब्लम होगा ना, ये रिपोर्ट देके मैं अपना काम चला लूंगा, इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ना, but you have to know these things. Okay, that's what I'm telling. Okay, please note down the attendance. Okay, session will be ended within 5 minutes. Snigdha আছা না তুমি?
Sir. Yes, sir.
ঠিক আছে, এইটো তুমি ৰাখি দিয়া, কোন কোন আছে তুমি মোক গ্ৰুপত দি দিবা, ঠিক আছে? টোটেল 16 students are there. Okay, anyone?
Sir, 15 হ'ব। আপোনাক লৈ পেলাই 16।
Okay, I am counting myself also. Okay, anyone can take the snapshot. Okay, don't be waiting for Snigdha. So her internet is not so good. Okay, see my miss. So anyone can put the screenshot. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in the when you can submit the report of this installation along with the screenshot? When? Please give me one tentative date when you can submit the report.
স্যার ওয়েডনেসডে
Sure?
Sir, কালি দি দিও।
ঠিক আছে।
অহাকালি।
Okay, next Wednesday.